Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve question number 15, NEET Physics paper 2017. Students, let us solve question number 15. A particle executes linear simple harmonic motion with an amplitude of 3 cm. So, a particle executes SHM with amplitude equals to 3 cm. This is the mean position, x equal to 0. When the particle is at 2 cm from mean position, this is the mean position. When the particle is at a distance of x equals to 2 cm, somewhere here, from the mean position, the magnitude of its velocity is equal to, the velocity here is equal to half of its, is equal to, the magnitude of its velocity is equal to that of its acceleration, equal to that of its acceleration. So the velocity in terms of magnitude is equal to half is that of its acceleration. So velocity and acceleration in terms of magnitude is the same. Then its time period in seconds will be, you have to find the time period. We know that v at position x equals to omega a square minus x square the root. This is the formula for velocity at the position of x. Now v and a acceleration is omega square x in terms of magnitude. In terms of direction it is negative. In terms of magnitude it is omega square x. Now given that v equals to a, so I write this that omega under root of a square minus x square equals to omega square x. So from here I write that 1 omega will go, and squaring both sides I will get a square minus x square equals to omega square x square. So from here if I take I want to find this omega square, that omega square will come out to be a square minus x square by x square. Okay, where x is 2 given, so x is 2, so therefore I write a is 3 in centimeter, so that will also cancel out. This is 3 square 9 minus 4 divided by, this is 2 square 4. It is 5 divided by 4. Omega is under root of 5 divided by 4. And omega is 2 pi over t, so it is under root 5 by 4. From here I'll write t equals to 2 pi 4 by 5 under root. So this will come out, root of 4 is 2, so it is 4 pi divided by root of 5. So if I see the time period of oscillation, then root of 4 is 2, 2 to the 4, 4 pi divided by root of 5, then option number 3 is the correct answer to this question. Okay, thank you.